With almost 100 years of experience, Eekels, your partner in pumps, provides customised pump solutions for the public sector, contractors, industry and offshore. This is done worldwide in every imaginable situation and in a number of fields. All our activities are focused on one goal, namely servicing our customers in a timely fashion and providing them with the highest possible quality. Ambition, quality and customer orientation, innovation and involvement are central themes in our mission. One of the most recent innovations Eekels Pumps offers is Eekels 3D reality capture. Conventional methods to visualize areas such as pumping stations, pumping installations and terrain in a detailed manner are time-consuming, labor-intensive and are accompanied with very high costs. Eekels 3D reality capture does not only offer an accurate picture of the environment, but does this at relatively low costs. The photorealistic 3D images are made available online and can be easily shared with your own people, advisors and suppliers. At your request, Eekels carries out a 360-degree laser scan with their scanning equipment on location. Depending on the complexity and the dimensions of the location, the scan takes half a day or more. The point cloud is processed by our experienced engineering team and the panoramic pictures are merged with the point cloud. It is also possible to model the area and tag objects. Though the scanning process is short, it is very accurate and detailed. Therefore, you always have the most up-to-date version at your disposal, and since all information is available online, this can easily be shared with other relevant parties. In addition, due to the short scanning process, disturbance to the daily business processes is minimised. Therefore, Eekels 3D reality capture proves to be the tool when it comes to planning, engineering, modelling, maintenance, training and monitoring, and is one of the building blocks of high-quality systems and processes.